Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I know that laundry day is not the most fun, but we can make it easier and more eco-friendly. Check out these laundry detergent sheets. These are from Maravello and these things are amazing. So this is 120 loads in this little box. Look how small it is. Saves a ton of space. It's very cost effective and they work amazing. So these are great because they are biodegradable. They contain zero plastic. There's no waste. And they are easy on the environment, which is awesome. They're also so simple to use. You just open them up here. You've got these little sheets. You simply take one out and pop it into the machine with your laundry, and that is it. You are good to go. Takes care of the rest. You don't have any measuring, no spilling, and your clothes come out really clean. These are non-irritating, they're safe for sensitive skin, and they do such an amazing job. These are also perfect if you are traveling and you want to take some laundry detergent with you. They literally weigh nothing, and you could just pop them in your bag, and then you have it there if you need it. So I've been really happy with these sheets because they not only make your life easier, they are easier on the planet, they are easier on your wallet, they're really, really cost effective, and they work great to get your clothes nice and clean, smelling fresh, and get on with your day. So I would definitely recommend these, and that's my point of view.